Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last episode, we explored the wonderful world of Linux and learned how to choose the perfect distro for your needs. Today, we'll be diving into the exciting world of installation. Before we dive in, let's gather what we'll need. Downloaded distro ISO. Head to your chosen distro's website and download the latest ISO file. This file contains the installation media. USB drive. You'll need a USB drive with at least 4 gigabytes of free space. We'll use a tool to create a bootable USB drive that your computer can boot from, or you can use virtual machine. If you're apprehensive about making changes to your main system, consider installing your distro in a virtual machine like VirtualBox or VMware. This allows you to experiment in a safe environment, which I will be using during this course, and you can too. There are various tools available to create a bootable USB drive, depending on your operating system. Here are some popular options. Windows Rufus is a free and user-friendly tool for creating bootable USB drives on Windows. macOS. Use the built-in disk utility app to create a bootable USB drive on macOS. Linux. Many Linux distros come with tools like Startup Disk Creator or Ventoy to create bootable USB drives. Downloading the tool and following its instructions will guide you through creating the bootable USB drive. Once your bootable USB drive is ready, it's time to boot from it. This process might vary slightly depending on your computer's manufacturer. Here's a general guideline. Restart your computer. As your computer boots up, press the key that brings up the boot menu. This is often a function key like F10, F12, or delegate consult your computer's manual if unsure. In the boot menu, select the option to boot from your USB drive. Your computer should now boot into the live environment of your chosen distro. Distros offer a user-friendly installation process accessible from the live environment. The specifics will vary depending on the distro, but the general steps involve starting the installer. Look for an installation icon on the desktop or in the Applications menu. Choosing your language and keyboard layout. Selecting your installation type. You can choose between a full installation or a minimal one. A full installation includes a desktop environment and common applications, while a minimal installation offers a more basic setup. Partitioning your disk. This involves dividing your storage drive into sections for the operating system and your files. If you're new to Linux, it's recommended to let the installer handle partitioning automatically. Creating a user account. Set up a username and password for your Linux user account. Following the on-screen prompts, the installer will guide you through the remaining steps. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to restart your computer. After restarting, your system will boot into your new Linux distro. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your first Linux distro. In the next episode, we'll delve into the basic Linux commands to help you navigate your new system with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more episodes on your exciting journey into the world of Linux. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them in the next episode. See you then.